Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your commission fees lowered just by calling them up. So I'm going to put it on speakerphone.
Or hold to speak with the next available client services representative. Please note, this call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance purposes. Good afternoon. Thank you. Can I start with your first and last name, please? And how can I help you tonight?
So I have a question. I've had for a while now, and lately I've been using another platform to trade on, but I don't really like their platform. I was pretty much trying it out because their commission fees were lower. I was just wondering, like, is there any way you guys could lower your fees?
So I could absolutely get you over to somebody who could discuss that with you real quick.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and get you verified real quick, and I'll get you transferred over. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Hi, Mr. Sir.
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I was speaking with my colleague here, and he said you had questions about the commission on the account.
But I've been pretty much, day trading and swing trading on another company's platform, and I was just pretty much trying them out because their commission fees were a little bit lower, and I honestly I don't like them. I think, but I was just curious. I figured I'd at least ask. Is there any way that I could get my fees lowered?
Well, that's the thing. I know. So it sounds like you're trading on another platform there. We can definitely work with you on doing something here. Trying to see what we can do. We got you at the $6.95, that the standard rate there. Are you like an options trader at all, or are you just like an equity stock guy? Or
yeah, I'm just equity stocks. So.
Okay. And the account, by chance, where you're trading at, where is it that you're actually trading, if you don't mind me asking? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. Okay. So, kind of coming over, what I can do on our side, I can actually send you, I want to make sure that we're kind of meeting up to our competition on that, and, kind of doing what we can to empower you here, with trading. What I can do is actually put a case through here to get you updated. And get you into going in at the rate of the 495, and get you the 50 cents contracts there on options if you decide to go that route as well. Just bringing you to a better rate. Now that's even better than what I got going on here. But I definitely put you in to have that negotiated and seeing what we can do. And what they'll do, they'll send you a message in the message center on the website.
Okay.
To let you know, if it's updated or the results of that there. But I'll definitely, fight with the case here. Okay. Yeah, we can definitely work with you here, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and put a case in here to have this negotiated, and you should be getting the results of that here in the next 2 business days. I assume, by Tuesday here at the latest, giving you the results here of this.
Okay.
Okay. So, going in, same thing, just at you said 495 where you're at?
Yes.
Okay, and I'll do the same here, just to try to match you up here, and put in what you're telling me here, and we'll be able to get this going for you. Okay. So keep an eye on your email, and we'll send you that secure message center notification, letting you know that the fullness of this here, and getting that going. By Tuesday here, you should be seeing an email. Okay.
All right. Hey, I greatly appreciate it.
No problem. I hope you have a good night. Okay.
You too. Now, take care.
All right. Take care.
All right. Bye. And just like that, that's how you get your fees lowered. So what's going to happen is they're going to negotiate it, which is basically they're going to lower my rates. So on that account, I'll have that other account that I entered in, and I'll get the rates lowered on it. So that's how you do it. So hey, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I'll see you in the next one.